Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. Today, we're diving into a product that's been generating buzz for all the right reasons. It's the CHEETAHBEAUTY Deep Wave 13x6 HD Transparent Lace Front Wig. This is a 100% Brazilian virgin human hair unit, designed specifically for Black women who want both style and substance. It features a deep curly texture, 250% density, a natural hairline with baby hairs, and a 13x6 HD transparent lace for more flexible parting and a seamless melt. Let's get into the details and see how it really performs in everyday life. First off, this wig is made from unprocessed 10A grade Brazilian human hair. That's a top-tier grade in the hair extension world, meaning the cuticles are aligned, intact, and the hair is strong enough to handle heat styling, dyeing, bleaching, and restyling. The texture is a deep wave, which gives off that glamorous, voluminous look while still feeling soft and manageable. It comes pre-plucked with baby hairs for that natural edge, and the lace, HD transparent. That means the blend is virtually undetectable when installed properly, especially when matched with your skin tone. Now let's talk real-life use. From unboxing to installation, this wig felt premium. The hair was soft right out of the pack. No chemical smell, no stiffness, and definitely no dry, crispy ends. The density is where this unit shines. 250% makes it luxuriously full, but still wearable. When installed, the deep wave pattern popped with just a spritz of water and a bit of mousse. I wore it in different ways over the course of a week. Middle part, side part, even pulled into a high bun, and it adapted to each style effortlessly. In daily wear, I didn't experience any excessive tangling or shedding, which is honestly impressive for a longer curly unit at 30 inches. It held its curl pattern beautifully even after brushing and re-wetting. The adjustable straps inside the medium-sized cap offered a secure, comfortable fit that didn't budge throughout the day. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: texture. The deep waves look rich and defined. Density. That 250% density gives you fullness without overwhelming bulk. Lace quality. The HD transparent lace melted easily with minimal product. Versatility. You can switch up your parting, pull it into buns or ponytails, and it still looks natural. Restylability. It takes heat and dye well with no damage, as long as you use proper protection. Cons? Weight. With higher density and 30 inches of length, it can feel heavy for all-day wear. Maintenance. Curly textures require consistent upkeep. Detangling, defining curls, and moisturizing are a must. Beginner difficulty. If you're new to lace wigs, the size and density might be overwhelming to install without help. Is this review helpful so far? If it is, take a second to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps keep Beautyistic thriving with honest expert reviews every week. Back to it. Let's talk value for money. This isn't a budget wig, but in this case, the price reflects what you're getting. Top-grade virgin hair, dense volume, and HD lace. For seasoned wig wearers or anyone who styles regularly, this wig is an investment that delivers on quality and longevity. The fact that it can be dyed, straightened, and curled just adds more return on your investment. Compared to others on the market, like some 180% density units or synthetic blends claiming to be human hair mix, the CHEETAHBEAUTY wig offers superior fullness and styling versatility. It edges out competitors with that 13x6 lace space. Most only offer 4x4 or 13x4, limiting parting and realism. Build quality-wise, this wig holds up. The lace didn't tear during installation or wear, and the stitching along the wefts was tight and clean. After several wears and one co-wash, it maintained its luster and definition. No matting, no frizz explosion, just that deep wave bounce. Now, if you're looking for a similar style but at a lower price point, you can find deep wave wigs in a 13x4 lace front or synthetic blend. However, you'll likely compromise on density, lace quality, and longevity. If you're serious about hair, whether for protective styling or pure aesthetics, this is a wig worth saving for. To wrap it up, the CHEETAHBEAUTY Deep Wave 13x6 HD Lace Wig lives up to its premium label. It's not for someone looking for a casual throw-on-and-go unit, but for confident wearers who want high-quality hair with realistic lace, volume, and versatility, this is it. Just be ready to care for it. Hydration, definition, and gentle detangling are your best friends here. I'd recommend it for wig veterans and beauty enthusiasts who want that main character energy look with reliable wear. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. And if you've used this wig before, drop your experience in the comments. I love hearing your take on products too. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.